What's up everybody, Ryan with the MXG channel here. I'm back with our January battle of the boxes. I've got the regular three here. Prime Moto, the Brat Box, and Moto Delivered. We're going to open up all three, and I welcome you guys to please comment down below. Let me know what you like in each box, what you don't like, which one you think is the best value. We're going to start with Moto Delivered this week. Alright, right off the bat, the Fly Zone goggles. Everybody's familiar with these. Solid goggle, low cost, has the tear-off posts, all that stuff. Tinted lens. Nice. We also have DOT 4 brake fluid. This is the correct fluid for almost all your motorcycles. Do not put DOT 3 in. You will ruin your master cylinder seals and such. So we got some DOT 4 here by EBC. They would know. And some Fly Racing grips. These are the soft compound half waffle. And I always know there's a sticker sitting down there in the bottom somewhere. This is the Moto Delivered Race Team sticker. Alright, that's it for Moto Delivered this week. Now let's go to Prime Moto. Alright, looks like there's a personalized greeting card on top with my name on it. Says thank you. Happy New Year. We wish you a great 2024. Thank you for your continued support. It is greatly appreciated. The last 2 years with Prime Moto has been awesome, and we're looking forward to more. Thanks for showing off our boxes, Thomas. Appreciate that, guys. Handwritten cards and these boxes are very cool. All right, we got some O'Neill Pro MX socks. I love getting socks in boxes like this because it's like that's one of those things you always need, but you never really think about it until you need it. So just to get a pair of these in a box a couple times a year kind of takes care of your needs. You don't have to go shopping for Moto socks. Oh, here is something I have really needed. I have been about to go out and buy one of these for the last couple weeks because I broke one of my good ones. This is the Tusk Pro Caliber tire gauge. I've used these before. These are actually a good gauge. They're 0 to 60, but it's very accurate. So it's well made. It's braided. It's got like a rubberized outside here. It's not going to break if you drop it. These are good tire gauges, so always nice to get useful tools and stuff. We've got an O'Neill sticker here, and we've got the Rhino Power Mana Gel. This might be my favorite product for Rhino Power, just when you're wanting a snack or a quick burst of energy. These things taste, I was like eating candy. Then what do we got here? MSR insulated stainless steel water bottle. I love it. And the inside, I love getting bottles like this where the inside's not plastic. It's stainless steel through and through. It looks like the MSR logos right here is etched on the bottle. It says it's a water bottle, or it just says insulated bottle. So this would be like a good coffee thermos or something. And keep your coffee warm and then unscrew the top, pour it out. You got this piece on the top where you can hold it, or you can put a lanyard or something around it. So that's very cool. Now I'm liking this Prime Moto box. A lot of useful stuff. And now for the Brat Box. Got the tape on the end, riders only. Alright, right here on top are the Risk Racing mud grips. So these basically slide over your regular grips and give you a better grip in complete washout mud races. Also, there's these kind of work as clean grips too. If you've seen the Renthal ones, you can kind of put these on your grips, and if you need to move the bike around a muddy paddock area or get it to and from the gate, and you don't get any grease or mud from your mechanic's gloves or your gloves on your grip. You pull them off right before you start and they're clean. So you can use them either way you want. Pretty cool, definitely useful. Maxima High Test Octane Booster, speaks for itself. Everybody knows what that is. That's awesome. These quick to mix bottles. I have about 6 of these around here, but I'm constantly losing them. These are handy. And guys, don't just think these quick mix bottles are for 2 strokes. I use these every day here in the shop, and 90% of the time, it's nothing to do with the 2 stroke. So yes, you've got your mix ratios on the side for 100 to 1, 50 to 1, 40 to 1, 32 to 1, etc. But what I use this for is to measure out fork fluid or measure out fluid when I'm changing oil on a bike. You've got your ounces and milliliter measurements right here on this side. So this is just a do-it-all oil measurement thing for the garage. Really nice. Uh-oh, what we got here? Another pair of Fly Zone goggles. So we actually got Fly Zone goggles in Moto Delivered and Brat Box. These are the blue with the blue like iridium lens. So between these 2 boxes, you've got yourself a nice collection of Fly racing goggles. You're already halfway filled on a goggle bag. Pretty cool. Right here, we've got the Wrist Racing Grip Donuts. For you guys that grip a little too tight, or maybe you guys that are just putting in hours a day on a bike, these will save your thumbs from blisters and calluses a little bit on the edge of your grip. So everybody loves these things. We've also got a Brat Box key ring right here with the crossed pistons and some stickers. And guys, the Brat Box is not stingy on the stickers. We got 5 stickers and a keychain this month, so they're tossing out the freebies. And then we also have a coupon code for TBV15 for AOMC.mx. So very cool. Let me know which ones you liked. I'm going to take pictures of all these in high resolution and post them over on my Instagram at MXGRyan. So I advise you to go follow there and follow these guys too. And we'll be back next month with another edition of Battle of the Boxes. I'll put the links to all 3 of these down below. They make great gifts, guys. Thanks. Ryan with the MXG channel. See you in the next video.